Happy Tuesday to everyone whoever watching this video right now, and I hope you won't get bored every day. It is just always the cooking vlog and the same setup, because right now I don't have a choice. I cannot take you outside because you know already the situation right now. It will not be advisable to go out, and let's just wait a little bit, okay, until everything will slow down and it is safe to go out. Then anyway, for today I'm gonna make nilagang baka. So I have here beef. It was clean already, I've washed. So I have beef here. I have 2 of this, and then as you can notice, I have this also cat peas. I have few of that. I have few of this. This is actually the mutton leg, or in Philippines they call it goat leg. The reason why I'm putting for this is actually full of vitamins. Normally doctor advise to the child should consume the soup out of the mutton leg or goat leg. There is one recipe, an Indian recipe, they call it paya, but I'm not gonna cook that because I've tried cooking paya soup for my daughter, but she doesn't like it. But instead, I'm gonna mix the leg, the goat leg, to the nilagang baka, because the last time I made like this, she loves it like anything. I mean, she loves it. So actually, now I'm gonna use pressure cooker to cook my meat to soften it faster. So to save my gas or electricity, I always use pressure cooker, aside from making my work faster. So we just have to put it inside everything. So what I'll do, dump everything here, including this one. Okay. And you just have to add water. Of course, I have lots of ginger. You put lots of ginger for this, so the smells will, you know, there's strong smell on that. And then now I have to add water. Make sure when you use your pressure cooker, make sure you just put just enough water, because if you put too much, then when it gives whistle, the water will splatter all over in your kitchen. So that you have to keep an eye. So always put less water, because anyway we just have to boil this, and later on you can adjust the water as per to your liking. Okay, so now I'm just putting this much. I'm not gonna put so much of water. So this is just about, I'm putting like 2 cups of water. So as you can see, not so much of water in there. Okay, this we have to put salt. So I'm putting just 1 teaspoon of salt, and you just adjust later if it's needed. Okay, and then close it. And we need 7, I'm just estimating, as per to me it is 7 whistles. Close it. Now the beef is done, so now we start doing our other ingredients. We have to cook other ingredients. So I have here, by the way, here I have vegetables. I have carrots. This is 2 carrots, 1 large size of potato, and 1/4 Here the head of the one small, one medium head of the cabbage, 1/4 only I'm using. Okay, so these are we need, and I have here chopped garlic, 7 garlic, 1 tomato, large tomato, and 2 onions. So now let's start cooking our nilagang baka. So now I have put oil here, it's heated up. So first we have to throw our garlic, chopped garlic, and just saute for 1 minute. So after this we have to put our onions. Then we have to saute our onion until it gets translucent or become golden brown. And after this, we can throw our tomato. And then saute the tomato until it gets soft or smashy. What I'll do in here, I'll sprinkle salt. So what I'll do, I will sprinkle salt so it gets faster to cook. That is the technique. You have to sprinkle salt, it will faster to cook. So let it cook. Now the tomato is already cooked and smashed. So next we have to put our potato. We have to put the potato and together with the carrots as well. To put the carrots. And then we have to saute these vegetables for around just 3 minutes. For 3 minutes, just saute for 3 minutes. Guys, very hot, even if we already put the AC on. So hot, I'm sweating like anything. This is how it is when it's summer in Dubai. It's just you're feeling like you're inside the oven. So anyway, so now we have to put our meat. So as you can see, it's all soft. We have to put it inside. And now this stage, you can adjust the water. If you want more gravy or soup, then you can add more water dependently for this. See, as you can see, look at my meat. See, it's gone from the, see? Separate now from the bones. See, this is my bones. It's gone all into pieces. So this is how I like the pressure cooker, because it's really give you a good result and soften your meat very fast. So now on this stage, I'm gonna add water because I still have to cook my vegetables. My meat, though, it's already cooked, but the vegetables needed to be cooked. So I'm adding water. I can add a little bit more, because anyway, during boiling, during simmer, the water will reduce. So you can put as much as you want. And then, if you want more tastier nilagang baka, you can also put beef cubes, okay? But for me, I don't use that because I have boiled it nicely, and those bones really give a nice flavor on my broth. So no need to put any cubes. So this is taste very nice already. So no need. And now let's just simmer this. I don't want to cover. Just simmer like this, open, until our vegetables get soft. Then we can add our cabbage. And now, oh, very nice. So now our potato is almost cooked, and the carrots. Now it's time to put our cabbage. Actually, you can put other vegetables as well, like green beans. You can also put green beans, but I'm using only what vegetables I have in the fridge, because actually I'm almost out again, so need to go for food shopping. The last time I went, that was 2 weeks back, so now it's time to go again. So this is my last cabbage actually. So now they just simmer again until our cabbage gets cooked. And then who's this little girl there? What's this? What's this? As you have observed, okay, I always put lots of vegetables. One of the reason is it's for my daughter. Actually, she doesn't eat vegetables. She only eats like cucumber, carrots, and tomato. Those she will eat raw, I mean as it is. But other vegetables, no, she doesn't want. So what I'll do, when boiling her rice, like if it's 8, of course I'll put extra water. So when boiling it, like for 80% cook, then that time I'll smash the vegetables like potato, carrots, or cabbage, broccoli, whatever it is. I'll smash it, and then I'll mix it with the boiling rice. So in that way, she will eat the vegetables. That's my technique actually. Now, this is it. I don't want to overcook my cabbage. Actually, cabbage also some other people also they are eating it as it is, like raw. Like they will mix it in a salad or something like that. So anyway, this is done. So we have to taste if it's okay. This is okay now. I don't have to add anything more, because when I have boiled my meat, I have put 1 tablespoon of salt, and then again I have put a sprinkle of salt when I'm cooking the tomato, onion, and garlic. So the salt is perfect for us. We don't eat too much salt. It's not good, especially for my health, since I have blood pressure. It's dancing up and down, so we have to avoid salt as much as possible. So okay, so this is perfect. So now I'm done with my beef nilaga or nilagang baka for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. And if you like my recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye guys, until to my next one.
Please like,